What's up, guys? Today is the day. We got the trailer set up. We got the team is gathering. The winners are here. Let's go get them. Ooh, boy, we got a group. Who's who? I'm right.
Brett.
What's up, Brett? Nice to meet you, sir. Jacob Crabb. Nice to meet you, bro. Hey, Cesar. Nice to meet you, sir. Hello. Nice to meet you. Cool. Well, y'all ready to go take a look? We're gonna walk all the way down through the line. Right. Welcome to Diamond C. Congratulations. You know, this is a big honor for us for y'all to come down, be able to host you, be able to hook you up with a new trailer. I know your wife called back the other day and was like, "Is this for real?" Yeah. But anyways, it is very real. We've got the trailer, we got a cooler full of swag for you. We'll take a few pictures, we'll do a little bit of video, but again, congratulations, guys. Yeah.